Well, there's a train going by now. Yes, I missed most of it. I'm coming across the bridge in the car to film, and I realized the train's already here. They stopped for a minute and they started moving again. I missed most of it. They're doing what I think they're doing. I think they get ready to drop a bunch of coal cars off for rjcorman. But I'm not completely sure. At least I think that's what they're doing. rjcorman should be heading this way, so that's the reason I came on down here. At least out here in a minute I'll know that's what they're doing. Yeah, if they're doing that, I'll definitely stick around for that because I want to catch that switch and move. Could be an hour or two, at least an hour or more before I even get down here to the main. The river's not up much right now. It might be up a foot or two, but it's not up much. Considering the way it's been raining lately and the ground being completely saturated. At the end of it. Oh, they're putting big bright lights in the platform over there now. But I don't know if the lights will be light up enough to actually see very far. It's been a while since I've been able to come down here and do some good daytime videos. I don't make it down here much anymore. Well, I still make it down here a decent amount, but it seems like half the time I do get a chance to get down here, it's like nighttime. So it's nice to actually be down here during the daytime again. From here I can't tell if they're getting the restaurant siding or not restaurant siding. There's somebody standing down there. I think, yep, they are going to restaurant siding. The whole entire train is just going into Rust Run siding right now. Which means they are doing what I think they're doing. They're doing that switching move, which means a bunch of those cars will be taken up for rjcorman. I don't know if they'll take them up today or tomorrow, but hopefully they'll take them up today because I'm down here to film that. Okay. I saw somebody was standing there. Okay, there is somebody there. I see him now. There's the train. Took a little bit longer than I expected. They had to run the engines around the train. I think that engine comes up this branch line a lot. That's what they're doing now. They're switching so they can run up the branch line later. They'll go up here, line the switch, and then go back, hook up to the front, to the train here. And then at some point, rjcorman will come down here and take them up the branch line right by my house. Yeah, yesterday it was pouring down the rain too much to do this. Today it's nice. Yeah, it's the 18th and I'm actually filming this. January 18th. The welfare house is getting closer and closer to being done. That's why I nicknamed that red house the welfare house. Oh, what they'll call it, what they'll name that vacation rental house when they're done with it. It's still work in progress though. Alright, they're lining the switch now. I probably didn't get that very good on video. Actually, they're still doing it. Very interesting, but they do that nowadays. Dispatch will have somebody push a button and the switch will line the line. They don't have to have somebody get out and throw the switch anymore. They literally push a button on a computer and the switch lines. All electronic satellite controlled. I don't know if anything else is coming after this or not. Hope so. Well, too late now. I just realized if I could have filmed that, I could have stood in the coaling tower and filmed the train from inside the coaling tower. Oh well. They do this all the time here. They drop the empties off of us right inside, and rjcorman picks them up, takes them up past my house. It really don't go very far right now. Since I know that one train is coming, the other train's coming down the branch line, and we're heading this way in time now, I'm not going to go very far down that rail trail today. Alright, I think this will be right in the video because it's going to tie the train down until whatever time rjcorman picks it up. I'm hoping they're going to pick it up today, I really do.